Welcome to the fascinating world of food chemistry. Let's start by defining what food chemistry is all about. Food chemistry is the study of the chemical processes and interactions that occur in food, including its composition, structure, and properties. To put it simply, food chemistry is about understanding what food is made of and how its ingredients interact with each other and change during cooking and storage. Now let's talk about the importance of food chemistry. Understanding food chemistry helps us improve food quality, safety, and nutritional value. It also plays a crucial role in food processing and preservation. Next, we'll dive into the composition of food. Let's dive into the major components of food. Water makes up a significant portion of most foods and affects texture, flavor, and nutritional value. It acts as a solvent for many chemical reactions and influences food safety. Carbohydrates include sugars and starches, which are primary sources of energy. Simple carbohydrates, like sugars such as glucose and fructose, provide quick energy. On the other hand, complex carbohydrates, like the starches found in grains, provide longer-lasting energy. Proteins and amino acids. Proteins are large, complex molecules made up of long chains of amino acids. They are essential for various bodily functions, including building and repairing tissues. For example, after exercise, proteins help repair muscle fibers. Many proteins serve as enzymes, which speed up biochemical reactions in the body. For example, lactase is an enzyme that helps digest lactose in dairy. Some proteins function as hormones that regulate physiological processes. For instance, insulin regulates blood sugar levels. Amino acids are the building blocks of proteins. There are 20 different amino acids, divided into two categories: essential amino acids and non-essential amino acids. Essential amino acids cannot be synthesized by the body and must be obtained from food. Examples include lysine, found in meat, beans, and dairy, and tryptophan, found in turkey, chicken, and nuts. Non-essential amino acids can be synthesized by the body. Examples include alanine, found in meats and dairy, and glutamine, which is important for immune function and found in many protein-rich foods. Fats, also known as lipids, are a group of compounds that are insoluble in water but soluble in organic solvents. They provide energy, support cell growth, protect organs, and help absorb nutrients. Fats are categorized into two main types: saturated fats and unsaturated fats. Saturated fats have no double bonds between carbon atoms, meaning they are saturated with hydrogen atoms. This structure makes them solid at room temperature. They are commonly found in animal products such as meat, butter, cheese, and some plant oils like coconut oil. High intake of saturated fats is linked to increased levels of LDL cholesterol, which can raise the risk of heart disease. Unsaturated fats contain one or more double bonds in their structure, causing them to be liquid at room temperature. There are two types of unsaturated fats: monounsaturated fats and polyunsaturated fats. Monounsaturated fats contain one double bond. Examples include olive oil, avocados, and nuts. These are considered heart-healthy fats. Polyunsaturated fats contain two or more double bonds. Examples include fatty fish, which is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, and sunflower oil. These fats are beneficial for heart health and can help lower cholesterol levels. Unsaturated fats can improve cholesterol levels and have anti-inflammatory properties. Vitamins and minerals are essential nutrients that play various roles in bodily functions. Vitamins are organic compounds needed in small amounts for metabolic processes, such as vitamin C for immune function. Minerals are inorganic elements that are crucial for various physiological functions, such as calcium for bone health. Chemical changes in food. Types of chemical reactions. Hydrolysis. It's a reaction where water molecules are used to break down a compound into smaller units. For example, the digestion of starch into glucose. When we eat starch, which is found in foods like bread, enzymes in our saliva and intestines add water to the starch molecules. This process breaks them down into simple sugars or glucose that the body can use for energy. Maillard reaction. This is a complex reaction between amino acids, which come from proteins, and reducing sugars that occurs when food is cooked. especially at high temperatures. For example, when you sear a steak, the surface browns and develops a rich flavor. This is due to the Maillard reaction, where the heat causes the proteins and sugars to react, creating new flavors and a brown color. Enzymatic browning is a reaction that occurs when fruits and vegetables are cut and exposed to oxygen. Enzymes in the food react with oxygen, causing browning. For example, when an apple is cut and left out, it turns brown due to enzymatic browning, which is the oxidation of phenolic compounds in the fruit. Oxidation is a chemical reaction that occurs when food is exposed to oxygen, often leading to spoilage or rancidity. For example, when a slice of avocado turns brown after being cut and exposed to air, it is oxidizing. This not only affects the appearance but also can alter the taste. Rancidity is a type of spoilage that affects fats, resulting in off flavors and odors. It can be prevented through proper storage, like keeping oils in dark, cool places. Food additives and their functions. Types of food additives. Preservatives are chemicals added to food to prevent spoilage, such as sodium benzoate. Flavor enhancers are substances that improve the taste of food, like monosodium glutamate or MSG. Coloring agents are added to enhance or restore color, for instance, caramel color in soft drinks. Regulatory aspects. Food additives are regulated by government agencies like the Food Safety and Standards Authority of India to ensure safety and efficacy. Benefits and risks. Benefits include extending shelf life, improving flavor and appearance, and enhancing nutritional value. However, some additives may cause allergic reactions or other health issues in sensitive individuals. Impact of cooking on food chemistry. Changes during cooking. Cooking alters food chemically and physically, changing its flavor, texture, and nutritional content. For example, when eggs are cooked, the proteins in the egg white denature, which means they unfold and reorganize, changing from a liquid to a solid form. This transformation is responsible for the firm texture of a hard-boiled egg. Another example is caramelization. When sugar is heated, it melts and eventually caramelizes, developing a rich flavor and brown color. This process enhances the taste of desserts like caramel sauce. Techniques and their effects. Boiling involves cooking food in water. While it can soften vegetables, water-soluble vitamins, like vitamin C, can leach out into the water, leading to nutrient loss. A useful tip is to use the cooking water in soups or sauces to retain some of the lost nutrients. Grilling means cooking food over an open flame. The high heat can create a delicious crust due to the Maillard reaction, but if food is overcooked, it can form harmful compounds like acrylamide, which is found in burnt foods. Baking involves dry heat cooking. Baked goods like bread rely on fermentation and the Maillard reaction for flavor and texture, enhancing both taste and aroma. Summary and conclusion. In this lecture on food chemistry, we explored the foundational elements that define food, focusing on its composition, including the essential nutrients, proteins, amino acids, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals. We learned about proteins as vital molecules that perform various roles in the body, consisting of amino acids that are critical for health. We examined fats, distinguishing between saturated and unsaturated types, highlighting their sources and health implications. We also delved into the chemical reactions that occur in food, such as hydrolysis and the Maillard reaction, which play significant roles in cooking and food processing. Finally, we discussed how cooking techniques can significantly alter food chemistry, affecting taste, texture, and nutritional content. Understanding these concepts is essential for anyone studying food science, as they provide insights into how to enhance food quality, safety, and enjoyment. Closing thoughts. Food chemistry is not just about molecules and reactions. It's about improving our understanding of food to make healthier choices, create better products, and appreciate the science behind what we eat every day. As you continue your studies, consider how these principles can apply in practical scenarios, whether in food production, culinary arts, or nutrition.